Do you know any loan sharks?
I am the loan shark.
Oh my god!
Oh, not
You know
again.
what? Hang on, guys. Hang on. I think I.
Why can't I soccer? Hello? Video game? Okay.
I just make that much.
Okay. That doesn't make sense still, but...
Do they literally throw money at you?
Yeah, kinda.
Quill, are you a crypto guru?
No.
I want to be pretty pink mailed with a pink letter.
Okay, valid. Very fair.
Right? Like a pink slip? That's why I have my own construction business now.
Me when I get a letter, is it pink?
Bro, it's out. Bro, cat is down.
This is low-key gorgeous. Are you being racist? You're being racist? You're being a little racist? Why,
Oh,
why are you
no,
holding the eyeglass
they're
up to your
off.
eyebrow, you absolute bozo?
What if that's his real eye?
Bro, you're not even looking
underneath
through the eyeglass. It's just on your bushy eyebrows.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I really don't think that hit me. I don't think it matters. I'm to leave her. Good shot. No, I'm not gonna hear. What? The animation started! The animation started! That's so bullshit. I'm getting so scammed. I just got so scammed, by the way. She stopped struggling? She stopped struggling. Good, thank fucking God. Hope they feel safe. Hope they feel safe. Beautiful.
Now, what kind of payment do you do? Cause I could fill that bar up.
You got Cash App?
Don't-
Look at this guy.
don't-
This guy gets
Don't
it.
worry.
That's a pretty good guy.
Which it's facing. I told you this is a good guy. This is what I'm saying. See this. I can get away with this. Oh my God, I can get away with this. That was the dumbest mind game I've ever done in my life, and I get away with that. Resilience. That's resilience if I've ever seen it. She didn't know what map it was. I have an idea. Remember how I said when this game started I had to remember who I hooked? I don't remember who I hooked. I don't remember any of them.
What do you mean by that?
Do you have
Well,
any sort of money?
because
I usually have some. Yeah.
like I can
Like not a whole lot, but you know, just
I
like.
can slide. Actually, you know what? I'm God. I don't give a fuck. Here, have one.
Oh. But no. I
Sorry,
have to
Dad.
pay. I'll just pay you like a little something. It's
Pay
not a
blank.
whole
Play
lot.
blank a little
Oh my
something.
god.
It's not a whole lot.
Oh my God. Yeah. She was the.
Flashback.
I'll heal her. I'll heal her. It's okay. It's okay. I'm coming. Good spot. Good spot. Good spot.
End of flashback.
Okay, she's good at it again. Unlucky. Ah! I have an idea.
No, I don't. The diamonds don't really matter, but like.
Get down, Mr. President!
Thank you.
I got an iron ingot.
Ow, man. This is just inconvenient.
Oh my.
You are
Oh.
surrounded by flames. Why are you going in there?
I'm fine. I've taken worse.
Well, you
Just
know,
ask my
some-
wife. What? Hello? What? Behavior. Behavior interactive. Is it because of that thing? Oh my god. No, no, that's not good. Lucky break though. 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 Lucky break. Quick and quiet. I'm lagging. No way. No way. No way. It's just the coordination. And I've gotten 4 really, really coordinated teams in a row. And this is going to be the 5th. Don't fall. Make my life easy. Thank you. He's behind me. Oh my god. Like, this is what I'm fucking talking about. All of a sudden, I've lost everything. He didn't vault it. Interesting. He's gonna vault it now, though.
It's okay.
I'm a little special. You gotta understand.
I'll fly upside
And
down.
then you
fish.
disappear against the horizon line.
Maybe a good hit to the head will help you.
Maybe get here. Let me help you, buddy. Be good. Very nice. That was unlucky. Clitney Spears. Why? I hear you. Why are you clicking? Clitney, I wouldn't be doing this if I were you. Frenzy him. What? What? No, 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 no. Hold on, fuck this game for a minute. Huge. This should get her. Ooh, that. Okay. It's okay, I can still. I can lucky break. I can quiet this. Believe it or not. Uh huh.
Can I be your dasher?
You want to be my door dasher?
Yeah, can I be your door dasher?
Yeah, you can be my door dasher.
Thank
You
you.
are paid exclusively in the tips you make.
Ooh, that's not gonna work for me.
I don't think bro was asking.
I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Think he respects again? Yeah. Nope. Fakey. Doesn't fall for another fake. Hug tech! Free drop that. Now I've got my setups. Did he fall for another fake? You think he does? I think he does. Oh, I think he does! Ooh, good. I want her to vault that. Holy fuck.
I want to make a profit. I just wanna help.
What's an economy?
Ah! Oh,
And I-
sorry, I got hit.
The
Jesus
economy
Christ.
never really worked out.
You okay? Do you
Yeah.
need anything?
No, I got it. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, good, good, good.
She-
Anyway.
Oh, get the
she made
fuck
it
over
fine
here.
That I
Anyways, going upstairs. The first floor is the room I based off of Yuji. I don't know where you went.
I got distracted, I'm sorry. Wait! I have no mither. Wait, I have no mither. Anyways, anyways.
Then it goes black.
Oh, it's drying? I understand,
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah. Sorry if it drips on you. It's not.
It looks like a horse. Probably lose him here.
What's the whip? Your turn.
The whip? I hit this. Beautiful. Good.
Hey.
How do you gain, dude? I just saw my fucking lamp and I thought it was a person standing right behind me. Oh my god. One of them is flashbang. It's Cheryl. Oh fuck it. What? Okay, that should not have counted. Dead by Daylight is actually babying the player base. It's not even funny. Oh, you don't need to learn the specific timings anymore. Yeah, you just have that. Even though the blind sound was done. Hold on, Ma. Okay. Good. Nice. Get out. Turn around. Not good.
You don't hallucinate, you just see ghosts.
I don't say that out loud. I will kill you. Oh! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo! Mind games!
See my vision, right? Imagine we level the whole place and it's just a big Walmart with a huge parking lot.
That sounds kind of funny. I'm stuck. Whoa! I would like you to die. I'm gonna keep him right here. Yeah, okay. No beam for you. Good body block though. Santa Claus. Love alliums.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think we can get a
And I
different disc?
Feelings.
Yeah, let's change.
Let's just get a different disc.
I thought it was the person with the biggest tower.
I mean, if that's what it was, then I'm winning.
I mean, if we want to take it that way, all it takes is a plan.
Okay. Okay.
I own your parents now.
What parents?
I invest to bring back your parents just to kill them.
Oh no. She might go through that. That was really good. I didn't hear it at all. You're special. Are you bro's fishing rodding? Bro, you let me stand a little closer?
Oh. You know,
Can you not get me? Oh.
you know, rod efficiency does go down with age.
Bro, put me on a leash. That's great. I was a fucking leash baby.
Pause. Pause. Pause.
He's a fucking leech, baby.
Okay. Hey, he's a clown. Look at him. Being good. That is when things get annoying. Stuff. Uh-oh. This ain't stuff, but oh no! Okay, watch it though. See? I mean, lucky break tech.
Quill, Mr. Quill, are you okay after that ruffian roughed you up?
Oh yes, thank you.
Dust you off.
Let me dust you off. Beat the BT. Beat the BT. Okay, or just he was oiled up. To be fair, someone. She gets it here the way.
Get down, Mr. President.
I do not need your protection. Respectfully.
Respectfully.
You actually trying to protect me might
Well,
end
I
in me
feel-
accidentally punching your head off.
No, it's hard to find a girl that accepts kids nowadays.
Well, I'm not. Oh! 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 Yeah. And I just missed barely, by the way. I can maybe hit this. Hit him. Let's go.
Oh yeah, you can tell. You can tell.
I really wonder.
I wonder what the giveaway is.
I wonder. I wonder what the giveaway is.
Yeah.
I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. I don't even. Like, I don't even know. That was good. Oh shit, I'm actually not gonna have Devour at all this game. I'm gonna keep doing this until she falls for it, by the way. There we go. I would rather chase a Lara Croft. Okay, well, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Maybe Laura thinks she's safer. Perfect. Beautiful. I almost missed.
Just :3.
I do
All the
actually.
time. We have a shooter! Active shooter in the restaurant! Give me
And
1 second.
Shit.
I was about to be
Bye.
Cool.
Hooray! Whee! Oh, I didn't even get to hit the bottom.
I think that's a good thing.
No, I would have won.
I
I
don't know about that one.
I literally kill fall damage, dude. Don't even. Someone else was staring at me. Ah! That scared me. If he goes down there, do this. That was really good. That was map knowledge. That was map knowledge. Hey, buddy, can you come out, please? Thank you. Ah! No, thank you. Ah, yeah, see, I told you.
Or something like that. So you owe them like double the amount in a few days. So and then they threaten you, and then you get money that way. As
Yeah.
a loan shark.
Little sheep boy didn't know that.
Sorry,
Nope.
I had to take a few down in my time.
I love loan
To be honest, I wasn't listening. I was looking at this B. She should have shot that. I can't wait for her exposed thing to run out and then look down. Okay, nice. And then they unhook and then she's just instant anyway. Ooh, Lara Croft perk. Oh, Maya.
Yeah, Maya. She's your new stepmother.
Wait, G, I have something very important to tell you.
Mhm.
At least he can't go get milk now.
Stop it. Stop. No.
All right, guys, good stream.
Good.
Ellen. No. Ugh. I'm doing it. I'm sorry, Ellen. I'm sorry. I feel like such a dick. Okay, Ellen.
Oh. Yeah.
Cheers to that. I need a hit, Leon. Leon. Okay, that's not what I meant by I need a hit, Leon. Oh.
Just know if you ever want to run anything, you can almost run the entire world if you got enough green.
I do have enough green.
That's purple.
I don't know. I mean, they're still here. So, like, I'm waiting for them to, like, say something. Either they're typing a paragraph or they're saying nothing. Something. They're here. But I can get him. Oh, very smart. Nope, not very smart. No, I don't want to. Go on. There you go. Beautiful. Yep. Average P-head gamer. He's going that way. I hear him. Okay, and he's leaving. Yeah, perks of having a headset that goes up to 200% volume, chat, is that. What's up, dog? How we doing? I got you a customer. His head and having, so that's kind of funny. So there's someone. Hey, buddy. Nice! Oh, nice teabag! It's huge. So huge. Okay, these... Okay, you guys want me to come? You want me to come? Want me to come? This guy. She wants to go next. She wants to go next. I mean, like, where was... Oh, God, I just saw Ada's asshole. What's happening? And he gave up on Hook too. I don't even